Assalamualaikum and good day. We are from SMK to Perak, consisting of 4 group members.
Under the theme Waste to Energy, which focuses on converting from waste into energy.
Every day, people create so much waste. Management can involve solid, liquid, gas, even radioactive waste. But the sad truth is, most of it is not managed properly. One big reason, many people still don't care enough about the environment. Also, we still use too much fossil fuel and the supply is running out. On top of that, not many people know or use clean technology.
Why is this happening? Because people in Malaysia and around the world don't really know about solutions like waste to energy. This is a smart way to turn waste into something useful like energy. We believe it's time to take action. Organic waste, like leftover food, planks, and paper can be reused. With composting and process called biological digestion, we can turn waste into methane gas. That gas can be used as a clean gas. So now, waste becomes something useful.
Here an explanation for each component. For the food waste container, this container holds food waste such as vegetables, fruits and leftover. Bacteria decompose the waste in an anaerobic environment, producing methane gas. For the silicone hose, the gas produced in the food waste container travels through the silicone hose to the next part of the system. And for the water filter, the water acts as a filter to remove impurities or toxic gas like hydrogen sulfide that may be produced. This helps ensure the gas that reaches the output is cleaner and safe to burn. Last but not least, gas output. This is the final outlet where the gas is released and can be ignited to produce a flame. This indicates that the gas produced is flammable, usually methane. So the purpose of this experiment is to demonstrate how biogas can be produced from food waste and used as a sustainable alternative energy source.